Leave insert November test 2015 question 1. So two lines make an angle of the tan inverse of a quarter with the line T, where T is 2x plus y equal to 3. And part A, the question is asking you to write down the slope of T. So y equals mx plus c, y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. The slope is minus 2. Part B of the question, find the values of m, where m is the slope of the lines that intersect the line T. Okay, so here you have the line, let's say T, and you have two other lines coming through that intersect. So we know that the slope of the line T is minus 2, and the slope of the other lines, we'll just call it m. And we know that the angle that it makes is the tan inverse of 1/4. So straight away, the tan of the angle is equal to the absolute value of m1 minus m2 all over 1 plus m1 by m2. So the tan of the angle, well, we already know that the tan of the angle, or the tan inverse of a quarter, so our value for here is a quarter, is equal to, we'll call m1 m, which we don't know, and we'll call m2 minus 2. So that's minus 2, so it's going to be plus 2 all over 1 plus m by minus 2. So a quarter is equal to m plus 2 all over 1 minus 2m. So I'm going to square both sides because of the absolute value. So a quarter squared is equal to m plus 2 squared all over 1 minus 2m, all to be squared. So we get 1 over 16 is equal to m plus 2 by m plus 2 all over 1 minus 2m by 1 minus 2m. Okay, so moving back up here, that's 1 over 16 is equal to m squared plus 4m plus 4 all over 1 minus 4m plus 4m squared. Now cross multiply, so we have 16 by m squared plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 4m plus 4m squared. It's going to be 16m squared plus 64m plus 64 is equal to 1 minus 4m plus 4m squared. Now rearranging, bring over the 4m squared and it becomes minus 4m squared, so that's 12m squared, and that's going to be plus 68m plus 63 is equal to 0. Now, so to factorize it, A is equal to 12, B is equal to 68, and C is equal to 63. So our m value is going to be minus, so the minus b formula, minus b, so minus 68 plus or minus the square root of 68 squared minus 4 by 12 by c, which is 63, all over 2 by 12. So m is equal to minus 68 plus or minus the square root of, that's 4,624, minus 3,024 divided by 24. So our m value is minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 1600 all over 24. So our m is equal to minus, that should be 68, minus 68 plus 40 all over 24, square root of 1640. So our m values are going to be, m is equal to minus, that's plus or minus, minus 68 plus 40 all over 24, and m is equal to minus 68 minus 40 all over 24. So m is equal to minus 28 over 24. So our slope is minus 7/6, and m is equal to minus 108 all over 24. So our slope is minus 9/2.